Happy Mother's Day, y'all. I am here just configuring my Mother's Day gifts so they are ready to go. Here is my sister's, and I'm about to wrap it in the cellophane. This is what her basket is looking like. My Aunt Princess, this is what her basket is looking like. Her card, and my mom's basket. So I want the cards to be in there, but I guess I can get Eli's on in his because he's up, but Aurora and Gabe are not up to write in there on Cassie's. And like I said, we need to write in their grandmothers. And this is the card for me and my sisters and my mom. So yeah. And then this is the bow that's going on hers. This one. And then this one. I'm very mad about this black bow. But, you know, my husband went and got them. So he did his best with what store I sent him to. But yeah, so let's wrap these. Oh, and back there is Tommy, my pup from Pals, because I am back doing Pals ASAP as soon as I touch down. So let's do it. You guys, so I got this makeup palette. Then I got this big one. Look at these colors. These are so my colors.
Yeah, those are pretty colors.
And then my sister got me this humongous pack of all the black eyeshadows because that's the only kind of eyeliner I use. Mwahaha. And then she got me this 20 pack of eyeshadow makeup brush sets. Focus.
You know what I need to get you next? I need to get you a makeup bag now. No, just makeup.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to edit this vlog over here today. And go ahead
Makeup
and
time.
Mama, what I eat? Actually, I do. Mama, I want you to watch. I do it around. Mama, I want you to watch it. Mama, what's this? I
He
want.
doesn't do that. He had the other day.
Mom, what? Hey, Mom. Oh, hey, Mom, watch it.
I see. We're joking. Yeah, just, you know. Bill Crockett, what he was doing just fine. This camera's not waterproof. Stop that. No.